there's a unique magic to vintage collectibles. Today, I'm bringing a classic Pendelfin rabbit, the one resting in bed, out of the display cabinet and onto a piece of wood. I've always loved the whimsy of Pendelfin figurines. For this project, I wanted to capture that nostalgic, hand-painted aesthetic using my laser engraver. We're focusing on bringing out those fine details, the texture of the quilt, the expression on the rabbit's face, so the art feels alive. Watch as the laser does the heavy lifting, turning a simple piece of wood into a piece of functional art. It's a great way to pay homage to these British classics while keeping them as part of my daily routine. It's a simple project, but it connects me to a lot of great memories. Do you remember seeing these in your home growing up? Let me know in the comments.